Hello and welcome students. So in continuation with the kinds of state, we have covered the sovereign states and the second category of not fully sovereign states. Under that we have completed protectorate state, vassal state, federal state, confederation of states and the commonwealth states. Now similar to commonwealth states, we are going to understand what is associated states, that is grouping of states. So, the constitutional relationship between a state and the associated state may be different from one to another. That is, there can be two different constitution of a associated states. The principal functions or purpose served by such associations or groups are political, economic and related with mutual defense and security of the member states. Here there can be some principal functions or purposes served for having such associations or groups. It can be political, economic or related with mutual defense and security of the member states. Again, the majority of such bodies are regional. That is, we can differentiate between the this kind associated or groups of states with the Commonwealth states. Commonwealth states can be an example of associated states. But what difference we find in a Commonwealth state and associated state is this. Majority of these associated states are regional in character and have regional implications. But sometimes it can also include states not located in that region nearby. Okay, region concerned, such as the Commonwealth states. What happens in Commonwealth state is that they are not located in the particular region, they are located far away from a country, okay, territorially very far. But here in associated states, for a common purpose they can associate. uh, Most of the time majority of such states are associated from nearby territories and also by far away territories. But when Commonwealth states, we just find states associating from large, that is far away from the territorial distance. Okay, again, states are consistently with their obligations under the United Nations Charter free to form associations or groupings for general or particular purpose. So, for a particular or general purpose, these associations are formed as per the obligations mentioned under the United Nations Charter. It cannot violate that obligations specified in that charter. So, association has to be as per the Charter of United Nations. The Commonwealth states are an outstanding illustration. It is an example, Commonwealth state is an example of associated states, such as Commonwealth of Puerto Rico, which was voluntarily associated with the United States. Apart from other organization of American states, this Commonwealth of Puerto Rico was associated with United States. The Organization of African Unity is another example. Again, Sikkim in India being part of associated state of India. It was not part of a regional state. It was just an associated state in 1975 when it was merged as a regional state of Indian Union. Earlier it was just an associated state. It was not considered to be a regional union federated states. Okay, these are the few examples of associated states. Again, the European Union is the example of regional economic and political integration. We know that when British decided to give independence to all the nations of the world, that was all the colonies which it was ruling after the World War II, then the European countries in Europe decided to have a European Union for the sake of trade, and again further it decided to have the purpose of developing not only trade but all the fields of life. So it created a European Union in the Europe continent. That is an example of associated states. So this was associated states.